this wig from Doll of a Kind.
Okay. I think she did a great job on that. This doll was one of the Truly Me bald versions.
Truly Me bald version.
And I need you to take her dress off so we don't get glue on it.
Okay.
We did a dry run here because the YouTube videos said you should always line it up and practice at least 3 times before you put the wig on. Otherwise, you may have to take it off and start over again. And we had some Angora parts right here that we got from another site. And I wanted to see if we could put highlights in his hair and also have enough for his beard, and it turned out that we did not. We only had enough for his beard, so he only got 1 highlight, but hey, 1 is better than nothing, right? So there we have him. I think he's absolutely stunning and beautiful in every way. This is his beard and his wig. What I'll do is probably ring this together and put a ponytail in it, ponytail holder, because that's how he does it. Or we can just let it down sometimes.
No, he has little bells on it.
Well, I'll have to find some bells that are very light. The hair that I used for the beard, I actually bought off of a site on Etsy. And the woman had a farm in Belarus, and it was called Organic Locks Angora Parts. I'm pretty sure it came from a goat and not a rabbit, because it was mohair. Anyway, she now sells on hairdoll.net. She's not on Etsy anymore. And she has all different types of colors as well. But the one that I chose, it was a grayish white, which I thought was spot on for Dumbledore's beard.